Do you know what we're standing on, boys?
A boat.
A hospital.
An H.
A boat.
A helipad. And Uber conveniently does helicopter deliveries.
That can't be real.
Oh, it's real.
Is that a helicopter?
I can't believe it's actually worked. Oh, this was the pizza. I am terrified of parallel parking. He just landed a helicopter on a moving boat. Who wants some pizza? Hey! I know you're not supposed to swim after you eat a bunch of pizza, but you are on a $25 million